Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dennis. Glad you could come back for another video. We've got some exciting stuff I wanted to share today. I like to keep a tool bag with me just in my truck, you know, because we have a business and things need fixed, and I've tried several over the years and none of them quite fit the bill, but I've got a new one here, the Veto Pro Pac MC, and I think this one is exactly what I have been looking for. I wanted to take you guys through kind of some of the features that we have today, and then in a future video kind of walk you through how I have it packed out. But today we're just going to kind of talk about, you know, what makes the Veto Pro Pac MC maybe the best tool bag you can get. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so wanted to take you through the Veto Pro Pac here. This is the MC model. But what I've used in the past is, this is a good example of this GearWrench, but I've had a Milwaukee one, and I think I had like an old Craftsman one, but more of the tote style. And they never seem to really work well for me because, you know, it's just a big hole of emptiness that things get dropped into, and you have to fish around in here and find, you know, exactly what you're looking for, and it just is a challenge. So we brought in the Veto Pro Pac, which I'm really excited about. It's got a really sturdy handle that is nice and wide, so you can get a grip on it. It does come with a sling on it. I don't know if I'll use that or not, but I chose the model. The MC doesn't have any like side like pouches where you may put like a flashlight or a screwdriver or anything like that on it. Either side, it's just free of any of that. The only little pouch it has is this little one here. You know, and I don't know if I would ever use anything like that. Maybe a pen would go in there or something like that. But this was exactly the setup that I was looking for, because it can just be put in the bag or put in the truck, and it's not going to get hung up on anything or anything like that. So it is really nice. It does have a couple of these D-rings on the front and on the back, and then small ones on the side that you can, maybe on the side you can clip on a drill or a driver onto it. Maybe a one of the little straps that you can put some electrical tape or whatnot on, but I'm going to try to keep it really free of anything on the outside so that it doesn't get hung up on anything. But it does have a really nice bottom here that is hard plastic, marine plastic, that it you know, isn't going to have a situation where the bottom's going to come out of it or anything like that. All of the zippers are YKK brand, so they're a good standard, weather resistant, so it should, from what I've seen, hold up to pretty much everything. Now, the price on these is a little higher than what you could expect to spend on something like this, but I think for everything I've read and seen, it should be, you know, a fantastic bag. It's got a 5-year warranty on it, so you know, you can't beat that. But here we'll open up this side, and you can see that this thing has on both sides over 20 pouches. Some are big, some are small. I'll tilt it forward here, but you know, we've got some small ones that we can put screwdrivers in. They're larger, and they're almost set up in a way that you can kind of think of them as stadium seating. So it should be a case where you can get to anything that you want without having to take a whole bunch of the tools out to get something farther back. Again, it does have lots of room down here in the bottom, so you can put even anything in here along the front if you wanted. So really nice. I think it's something that is going to you know, hold up and is going to be, you know, really nicely you know, something to the toolkit that I hope will really work well for me. This company, Veto, is out of Norwalk, Connecticut. So I'll put a link down below where you can look at you know, this bag or maybe others that may work well for you, but I'm really excited about it. Now the other side also zips open. Same type of construction. This one here on this side is a little bit bigger. Not bigger, but the pouches within are bigger, in that, you know, you can put a multimeter and maybe bulkier things in that side. So you maybe set this one up as a more of electrician side, and this side is more of general purpose. So I'm, you know, going to put a lot of thought into how I put this all together, and we'll see how it all lays out. But just really excited about it. I think it's a brand that you guys really want to check out. You want to make sure that you subscribe to the channel here and follow up, because you're going to work over this over the next week or so and get this loaded out and see what works best for me, and we'll kind of come back and have a look at it to see how we've got it packed out. So that's really the Veto Pro Pac MC. Again, the MC is the model that doesn't have anything on the sides of it, so no little exterior pouches, which, like I said, I think will work best for me. I think the brand, or the model that has the pouches on the outside, is the Tech bag. But I'll leave a link down below. You guys can check it out. But another thing I wanted to show you while I had you, I just had this sitting on here, is this Carhartt roll pouch that I got. Santa brought this to me. Actually, Santa, my daughter. But I think it's going to work really awesome. Some of your larger tools, wrenches and whatnot, you can roll it all up, put it in the truck, and it's going to be, you know, nice and contained. So I'll leave a link to that below. It's a Carhartt brand, so it should hold up really well like the rest of their products. But we'll put this through its paces too. But that's all I had really for you guys today. But that's really it for today, guys. Just wanted to show you this this new Veto bag. I'm really excited about it. I think it's gonna work out great, and it's gonna be something that is gonna work well for me. I've been looking really hard for something that's gonna fit well for me, to help to keep me organized, and not just be a bottomless pit like some of these other pouches. And I think I found it with the Veto. So until next time, guys, I hope you guys have a fantastic New Year. Today's the 26th, so I hope you also had a fantastic Christmas. Be sure to give us a subscribe and a like, and if you have any experience with the Veto bags, be sure to leave us a comment down below and let me know what you guys think about yours. You know, if you've had good luck with them, or if there's been some things that maybe you've changed with yours that has made it even better. I'd love to know about that. But until next time, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.